I'm a product designer and I have used tools like Figma, Blender, and Adobe to create UI designs, 3D model, and graphic designs. This project started as a simple idea, a habit tracker, and for the longest time, ideas like this never made it beyond a design file. They looked nice, but they never became something people could actually use. I've always enjoyed thinking about products, what they should do, how they should feel, how someone could actually use them. But implementation was always the part I struggled with. Not because I did not want to learn, I just spent more time fighting code than building the product I had in mind. Then AI became good enough to help. Not with ideas, not with product decisions, but with implementations. It helped me spend less time staring at a blank screen and more time actually building. This is the result. An idea that would have probably stayed inside Figma became an actual app, something people can download, use, and hopefully find useful. And it did not stop here. Apps, games, websites, projects that would have taken me years to build, or maybe never would have existed. None of them are perfect, some are unfinished, some have been rewritten multiple times, some probably always will be. That's just part of creating things. I know AI is a topic people have very different opinions on. This video isn't about convincing anyone to use it. It's simply about being honest about how I work. I use AI throughout my workflow, but every project still starts with an idea I care about. I'm the one deciding what gets built, what gets removed, what gets redesigned, and when something is finally ready to ship. AI doesn't replace those decisions, it just helps me bring them to life. So, if you are here because you enjoy apps, websites, games, or simply watching ideas become real, I think you'll like what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one.